What if I told you that your main problem isn't the market, it's the exchange you're using? High fees, confusing tools, and lack of support. All of this drains your money. Today I'll show you how one platform solves all these problems. You'll learn how to trade with minimal fees, how to earn passive income, and how our community helps you make the right decisions. Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how Bybit makes it possible and why it's not just a choice, but a necessity in today's world. Let's go. Bybit, founded in 2018, and in just a few years it broke into the top 3 exchanges worldwide. Why? It's the mecca for futures. If you trade with leverage, you need speed and liquidity. Bybit processes up to 100,000 transactions per second. Your trades execute instantly with no slippage. Bank-level security. 99% of assets are stored in cold wallets. The exchange regularly publishes proof of reserves, evidence that your money is really there. All-in-one ecosystem. No need for 10 different apps. Trading, passive income, Web3 wallet, copy trading, it's all here. And now, to the point. Let me show you how to become part of these 20 million users. Step 1. Registration and best conditions. To access exclusive bonuses and community benefits, there's one important step. You need to register through our partner link, which you'll find in the description under this video. So, follow the link, enter your email or phone number, create a password, and you're in. But don't rush! Go straight to the security section and connect Google Authenticator. This is not a recommendation, it's a rule. Without it, your money is at risk. Step 2, verification, KYC. To deposit funds with a card and join all promotions, verification is required. Go to Account, KYC verification. Take your passport or driver's license, upload a photo, take a selfie, and within 5-15 minutes it's done. This is a standard procedure across all reliable exchanges. Step 3, funding your account. Safeway. Account created, protection enabled, time to deposit funds. There are several options. If you already have crypto, click deposit. Choose the coin like USDT and the TRC20 network. Copy the wallet address, be extremely careful. A wrong network or address means irreversible loss of funds. P2P, purchase with bank card. Buy directly from sellers. Attractive rates, but beware. P2P carries risks of fraud and even card blocks due to dirty money transactions. The safest path, our exchange service. Available in our trading chat with fair rates, fast execution, and no unnecessary risk. This is the method we personally use. No experiments, no losses. The link is under the video. What to do with your money? Let's start with the basics. Spot trading is like a bank deposit. You invest funds, buy a coin, and it's yours. You're the actual owner. Want to sell? You sell. Want to hold and wait for the price to rise? You hold. Want to stake it for interest? You stake. The key point, you can't lose more than you invested. No loans, no leverage, no hidden risk. How it works in practice. In the top menu, click Trade, Spot. Find the pair and search. For example, BTC USDT. Choose order type. Market, buy instantly at the current price. Limit, set your own price and wait until the market reaches it. Enter the amount. Click Buy or Sell. Done. Coins immediately appear in your spot balance. From there, you can withdraw, exchange, or stake them via Earn for passive income. Futures on Bybit. If spot is a deposit, futures are active market play. And that's where Bybit's real power lies. With futures, you can profit both ways. Long, betting on growth, short, betting on decline. But the most exciting part is leverage. It lets you trade with 10, 20, even 100 times your capital. Meaning with $100, you can open a $1,000 position. One golden rule for beginners. Start with an isolated margin. You only risk the amount in the trade, not your whole balance. Keep leverage low. No more than 3x, max 5x. Always set a stop loss. Without stops, it's not trading, it's gambling. If these words sound complicated, that's normal. That's exactly why we created our trading chat. There we don't just give signals, we explain the logic, why we enter a trade, where we place stops, and how we analyze the market. Join us to start thinking like a professional. The link is under the video. Don't want to trade? No problem. I'll show you how to earn on Bybit, even if you've never opened a single trade. Copy trading, let professionals trade for you. Imagine giving your funds to an experienced trader, and they trade on your behalf. That's exactly how copy trading works. Go to Tools, Copy Trading. You'll see a list of top traders with real stats, profit, risk, trade history. Pick a trader, click copy, set the amount, and done. Their trades are automatically mirrored in your account. Tip, don't chase someone showing plus 500% in a month. Look for traders with stable profits over the long run. Bybit Earn, your crypto deposit. Remember the bank deposit analogy? This is it, only with much higher interest. Go to Finance, Earn. Deposit your USDT or other coins and receive passive income daily. No effort, your money works for you. Inside, there are formats for every level. Easy Earn, simplest option, fixed yield, minimal settings, perfect for beginners. Advanced Earn, higher returns, more settings, for those who already understand the mechanics. On-chain Earn, yield through decentralized mechanisms. Crypto loans, borrow against your assets or lend and earn interest. Everything connects in just a few clicks. Choose the product, choose the coin, set the amount, income accrues automatically. And to know when and how to use these tools and avoid mistakes that cause 90% of beginners to lose money, join our Telegram channel where we share professional analysis. Let's sum it up. Bybit is a powerful ecosystem, fast, reliable, full of opportunities. If you're a beginner, it's the perfect entry point. If you're experienced, you'll appreciate the liquidity and speed. So what should you do right now? Follow the link in the description and register to get the best conditions. Set up account security. Join our Telegram channel and trading chat to access knowledge, support, and save tools. And of course, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next instruction. All links are under the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.